the flute has a really beautiful sound to it. I just think that once you develop your sound, you can be really expressive, and I feel like everyone has a unique sound.
After the human voice, probably the flute's the oldest instrument in civilization.
I'm real happy with how the Flute Festival went today. I thought a lot of people came. We had some awesome guest artists and visiting professors teaching, and people seemed to have fun, whether it was Baroque music. Beatboxing.
And what's new this year is the competition for college students.
I just thought it would be a good experience to be around a lot of flute happenings, and I really enjoyed the masterclass. John Horn's a great teacher.
There's a competitive nature to what we do with flute playing, but there's a certain barrier that seems to come down for most people when the event is really focused around education. People show up here with very open attitudes